Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50s Fitness. So today we're going to do an ab belly workout, if you like, walking, and this is really going to help with aid weight loss and really get everything going. So first things first, but let's just do a little bit of marching, and we're using our arms as well just to get everything going. Great warm up. And if you like, you can start to go a little bit faster and then place the legs up slightly higher. Let's just do this another 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to march to the side. And then use the arms to sway for momentum. Now, when you're doing these exercises, I would really highly recommend engaging the core. So you want to hold the tummy in. I like to hold it for a count of 3 gently and then hold that position whilst you're doing these exercises. Again, this really helps speed up metabolism. It's fine if you're out of breath a little bit, but obviously you don't want to be too much. And also make sure that you've got some water handy as well, in case you feel a little bit dehydrated or thirsty. And let's just do this a couple more times. And then again on the spot. Up higher. So what we're going to do now, we're going to come forward with our walk. So we're going to come, lunge back, come, lunge back. And you don't want to go too far down, and you don't want your knees to go over your toes. But this is a really great lunge. Show you the other side. Walking forward, coming back. And we're alternating legs. Again, core nice and engaged, back nice and straight if you can. And let's just do this 2 more times. And walk it out. Now, if you want to stop in between, that's fine. Or if you're feeling very energetic, you can keep going. So now I'm going to walk out the legs slightly further apart. And then we're going to just come down slightly, punch and to one side, come back, punch the other side. This is great for the waist and those abs. Now, you don't have to go too far down. And you don't have to twist too far. Obviously, whatever's comfortable for you. And let's do this just another 5 times on each side. Great for that ab and belly. 2 more times. And just gently come up. And again, marching, using our arms, tummy engaged. So we're going to now move to the side and place one arm in a big round circle, come back up, arm in a big round circle. And let's just do this a few more times. And then just jog on the spot. you like, you can then start to kick your legs out a bit for a little bit momentum. Tummy engaged. And if you like, you can use your arms. And slow it up. By this point, you should be slightly out of breath. And slow. So what we're going to do now, just for a little bit of cool down, we're going to place our legs slightly apart and bend to the side for a little stretch in that inner thigh. Slowing down the whole of the breathing. Gently come up and then turn the foot and again come to the other side. Again, you don't want your knees to go over your toes. And gently come back up. So if you like, you can repeat that another 2 times, obviously depending how energetic you're feeling, but it's a great one for just getting everything going, great for weight loss, speeding up the metabolism, and we're also helping engaging that core with belly fat. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up really helps with the algorithm. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.